can decide truth value fixed true or false is called a statement. And types of compound statements. First is conjunction. First type of compound statement is conjunction. Here we do connect two statements P and Q by the connective and symbolic form of it is. Second compound statement is disjunction. Here two statements P and Q are connected by the connective or. Now symbolic form of this is and read as P or Q. Third compound statement implication or conditional statement. Here two statements P and Q are connected by the phrase if then. If P then Q. And symbolic form read as P implies Q. Fourth, by conditional or double implication. Here two statements P and Q are connected by the phrase if and only if. P if and only if Q. Symbolic form and read as P by conditional Q or P double implies Q. Now see, today's first point is statement pattern. Now what is meant by statement pattern? A combination of statement letters and logical connectives. Now statement letters we are denoted as P, Q, R, etc. And logical connectives negation and or implies double implies. These are logical connectives. A combination of statement letters and logical connectives is called a statement pattern. Now next point is truth table. Now we can prepare table of a statement pattern. Now what is meant by truth table? A table which shows all the truth values of a statement pattern is called a truth table. Now we can prepare truth table of statement pattern. This question is asked in exam for 3 marks. Prepare the truth table of the given statement pattern. Now see first example. P implies in bracket Q implies P. Now see question. Prepare truth table of the given statement pattern. Now to prepare truth table of the given statement pattern, remember one table for connectives P, Q, negation P. We see 5 connectives negation P and Q. Third, P or Q. Next, P implies Q. And last, P double implies Q. It is so simple to prepare truth table of the given statement pattern. If we remember this table. Now see two statement letters P and Q. There are 4 truth values. First possibility TT, second possibility TF, third possibility FP, last possibility FF. Now negation P. Negation of T is F, negation of F is P. Now negation P, negation of T F, negation of T F, negation of F P, negation of F P. And the statement is true if both the statements are true, otherwise false. Now and statement is true if both the statements are true, otherwise false. Or statement is false if both the statements are false, otherwise true. Implies If first statement is true and second statement is false, then implies the statement is false. Otherwise, true. The last P double implies Q is true if both the statements have same truth value. T T F F P. Otherwise, false. Now there are 3 points on truth table. Next, first prepare truth table of the given statement pattern. Second point, logical equivalence. Third point, tautology, contradiction, contingency. In 3 points we can prepare truth table. And so to prepare truth table we can remember this common table of connectives. Now see, we can prepare truth table of the given statement pattern. Now first see, given statement pattern, how many statement letters? 2, P and Q. Now first 2 columns are P, Q. Now see, first 2 columns are statement letters. Now next column, negation. If so, negation, there is no negation of any one statement. Now next bracket, Q implies P. Now bracket completed. Now last total statement pattern. P implies in bracket, Q implies P. Now understand how to take columns. First statement letters, then negation, if so, then brackets, last total pattern. Now there are 2 statement letters, hence truth values 4, TT, TF, FP, F. Now Q implies P. Now remember common table implies a statement is false if first statement is true, other is false. Otherwise true. Now see, Q implies P. In implies there is take precaution. First see truth value of first statement. T implies T, P. F implies T, P. T implies F, F implies F, T. Now see, in implies the statement is false if first statement is true, second is false. Otherwise true. So take precaution in implies. First see truth value of the first statement. Now see last column, P implies Q implies P. Implication of first and third column. T implies T. Here first statement is P. Therefore see truth value of the first statement. T implies T, P. T implies T, P. F implies F, P. And F implies T, P. Now understand the table, how to take columns. First statement letters, negation, if there is negation of any statement. Now brackets, last total pattern. Now see second example. P and Q or R. P and Q or R and negation R or P and Q. Now we can prepare truth table of this statement pattern. Now first see how many statement letters are in the given statement pattern. There are 3 letters P, Q and R. Now if there are 3 letters in the given statement pattern, therefore first 3 columns are, first is P, second is Q column P. First write 4 times P and last 4 values here. First write column P. First 4 values T, last 4 values here. Then how to write truth values of Q and R? T, here, P, here. These are truth values in 2 statement letters Q and R. T, here, here. Repeat this again. T, here, P, here. There are truth values in 2 statements. Now next column, negation R. Negation of R, T, negation here, P, here, P, here, P, here, P. Now P and Q. And statement is true if both the statements are true, otherwise false. Now see first 2 values T and T. First 2 values T. Second, next 2 values T and F, P and F. Here. Next 2 values F and T. Here. Next the last 2 values F and F. Here. Now see column A, P and Q or R. Now all statement of column number 3 and 5. Now for R, or statement, F or F is equal to F, otherwise T. Now see first 2 values T or T, F or T, P or F, T or F, T, F or F, T or F, T, F or F, T or F, T, F or F. Now see column B, negation R or P and Q, or statement of column number 4 and 5. Now or only F is equal to F, otherwise T. Now see values F or T, T or T, F or F, T or F, F or F, T or F, F or F, T or F, T. And now last column A and B, and only T and T is equal to T, otherwise false. Now see first 2 values T and T and T. First 2 values are true. Now see next 2 T and F and T, F. Now see next 2 values T and F and T, F. And last 2 values T and F and T, F. Now see understand table. Now take homework. Prepare truth table of the following statement patterns. First, write down first negation P or Q. Negation P or Q double implies negation in bracket P and Q. And second, negation P or Q. Negation P or Q and Q implies R. Now do these 2 homeworks. Now do these 2 homeworks. Next we can see next point in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.